Hi guys! Today we are making Play-Dohs. First we have ingredients right here. So first we have water and flour and vegetables oil and salt and food coloring. If you want any colors, you can try. I like purple. I choose this purple because it's my favorite color. And then let's get started. First I'm going to mix the colors on the cup. Look, this is my kitchen. And I'm going to get 1 spoon, small spoon. But do you like my kitchen? That looks so cute. Next, let's put food coloring first. I don't know what's going to... I already put 1. Okay. Next, let's mix it. It's turning purple. Whoa, do you see it on the cup? That looks cute. Oh, she's my baby. She wants some milk, so I just brought her milk right here. Well, Ma, I have my milk. Sorry for it. She likes it. You want to help me now? Okay. She wants to help me. Okay, hold it. Good. She likes it. Well, she likes it. Okay, you're gonna mix it. You gotta mix it. You're just only baby. Okay, she can just sleep on this fire. Cheers. When we already finished, then I'm going to put salt, 3 salts. Okay. 1, 2. 3. I put salt already, then I'm going to mix it with this. It's going up here. Okay. It looks like Play-Doh? No. Like we need to stir it well. Well, this is whirling on my hand. Then I'm going to put oil. Lots of oil. That looks a lot. Next, let's mix it. That looks like a Play-Doh one. Then I'm going to put mixing color. First, let's get this out of here. Then let's put this. A little bit tiny one. Tiny. Then let's mix. And now it looks like Play-Doh, but can't actually like Play-Doh. It looks so hurts. So well, but my baby think about it is like baby food. This gets started already. I'm going to put the spoon out because I don't need it. I'm going to use it with my hands. Okay. Next, when I take that off, let's see it's sticking on me. Okay, it's not sticking. Next, I'm going to put flour on the table. Okay. Okay, next, I'm going to mix it with the flour. it's not sticking in my hands. Look, friends. Look, the beautiful Play-Doh is ready now. Look, it's so cute. And it looks so purple. I like it. And the orange one is right there too. We make 2 Play-Dohs. Look, I made this yesterday, the orange one. And I made this today on purple. Yay! Look, so squishy. Fighting, I'm going to fight you. Alpha is dangerous because it's about to grow the virus. So, if you want to play with Play-Doh, you can make it by yourself, like this. But which color do you want to put? You can try if you want to. If you want to make a video like just like me, you can try, okay? So I'm going to keep playing, and if you're done playing, you can put it on the zipper bag like this. And then it will never dry. So I'm going to play this and this too. So I'm going to put them in a zipper bag and then put it right on my kitchen. Then I'm going to play on my kitchen and with my baby too. Shake it. You have to shake it. When it's done in there, have to zip it like this. Okay? Okay? Okay. Then you have to squish it in there, okay? And there's Play-Dohs in there, okay? Okay. You have to squish it on there. Squish. If you like this video, and don't forget, click and subscribe and then show me like to talk. So, see you next time. Stay home, stay safe, and keep watching this video. See you next time. I love you. Mwah!